in whatever possible way, I will be there for the family to support them. And once again, I like to thank each and every one of you from. I like to thank each and every one of you from all over. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत शुक्रिया सबके लिए. అందరికీ ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి చూసే ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Your family also emotional as well. What do you have to say to the judicial system? Do you think laws speak for God?
Sir, do you think government is behind this?
Thank you. No, nothing.
Mr. Revanth
I like to thank.
this.
I like to thank everybody. I'd like to thank everybody for their love and support. Thank you.
మీ అరెస్ట్ గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు? అల్లు అర్జున్ గారు మీ అరెస్ట్ గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు?
No, when the law is when the law is taking care of itself, then I should not indulge with the case and hamper the case. Then దాని గురించి అసలు ఏం మాట్లాడను. From a legal standpoint, నేను దాని గురించి ఏం మాట్లాడను. Thank you very much. Thank you for all your love and support.
Do you believe justice will prevail? Do you believe justice and law will take its course?
Yes, I believe in this law. I believe the law.
ఇంటి నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోయేటప్పుడు కూడా మీ తండ్రి గారికి భరోసా చెప్తూ వెళ్ళారు. అంటే ఈ వయసులోనే మీ తండ్రి గారు ఎంత అల్లారుముద్దుగా పెంచుకున్నటువంటి మీరు
Definitely, it's a very challenging situation for the family. It's a very challenging situation for the family. And Ante, I just thank you for all your love and prayers for everybody from all the fans across and for all the people across. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you for all your love and support. ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ధన్యవాదాలు. Thank you for each and everyone across all over. Thank you for your love. I am here today like this because of your love. Thank you.
సార్ మీకు సపోర్ట్ చేసిన అభిమానులకు కానీ
Of course, I love my fans. Everybody knows that I love my fans.
అంటే నిన్నటి వరకు ఇండస్ట్రీ కూడా
Thank you.
So that was actor Allu Arjun speaking to the press post his release straight from his residence. He came down to speak to the media, waiting with all of their questions. CNN News 18 Swastika Das is joining us back on the broadcast. Swastika, please walk us through what exactly did the actor say, because we joined by the end. He was actually spoken already to the media. What were the questions put in front of him? What were the crucial answers that he gave out?
Response from actor Allu Arjun saying it has been an extremely challenging situation, not just for him but for his family as well. He's in fact thanking the media, thanking the people for their love and support, and he did not essentially wade into the political aspects of it, whether he thinks that this was vendetta as being claimed by others and what particularly has transpired in the last 24 hours. He did not want to make any controversial comments of that sort. We just saw him here. In fact, Allu Arjun, we did try asking him questions, but all he was is full of smiles and a sense of relief for him, perhaps, as he returns home. And he was speaking from the compound of his residence here in Hyderabad, which is now been turned into a fortress of sorts because of the amount of people that have been coming in. But yes, essentially what actor Allu Arjun has said, that it has been an extremely challenging time for him and his family. That in itself goes on to show how the family has been harangued in a way that they did not expect to be. When media tried asking him whether he sees that he has been sort of let down by the Revanth Reddy government, the only response to that was a smile. And that also, by the way, tells a lot, because if you look at how the family has been, approached by the entire government, the government has been non-committal as far as their stand was concerned. The Chief Minister himself has said that law will take its own course. In fact, right now, as we speak, there are a beeline of celebrities who are making their way to meet actor Allu Arjun. In fact, Sri Vikram, one of the most well-known producers and directors here in the Tollywood film industry, was also in fact making his way to meet actor. Before Allu Arjun arrived at his residence, he was at the Geeta Arts. That's where that is basically the production house of the family. There he was meeting up a lot of people, including producers, and now he's back at his residence. The message is very simple, extremely challenging, but we have survived that. We've seen the worst, and that was exuberantly put across by that smiling face that the superstar had.
In fact, we are looking at the visuals coming in straight from his residence as well. His wife, his relatives, his friends, all of them embracing him, welcoming him back at their house, a bit relieved till January 21st at least. But Swastika, did the actor comment on the question which was put forth to him with regards to the statement that came in from the Chief Minister of the state? Of course, politics being involved in this particular case. What does he think about that?
Patiently heard all the questions, and we were hoping for him to give an answer, but he did not. In fact, all he did was smile, and that in itself talks a lot. Remember, the fact that the family has been was put through traumatic experience in their own words in the last 24 hours. That in itself was very much made clear by how actor Allu Arjun came forward and then with folded hands, with all smiles, thanking his fans for their love and support. Because what they've also been very much overwhelmed with is the way the public has been responding to the hold arrest episode. If you look at the public perception, while majority of the fans and his, in fact, families and people across all generations have in fact questioned only one thing, that how can Allu Arjun alone be blamed for the stampede that happened and that claimed the life of one person. And he was mincing no words when he said that this was a very challenging time for me and my family, and we've managed to survive that. So that in itself was a one-liner and that actor Allu Arjun has said. In fact, he does not want to wade much into the political aspect of it, considering the position that he holds, and also the fact that his case is still in the High Court. He is out on interim bail, so there is nothing much that he can speak politically. But yes, the messaging is very clear. Here outside actor Allu Arjun's residence, now a beeline of cars making their way into the house of actor Allu Arjun. All celebrities here to welcome him. We are also given to understand that megastar Chiranjeevi too could drop by sometime later in the day.
Definitely. Swastika, let's also talk about the restrictions on the actor, considering that he is out on bail till January 21st. Now, we know for the fact that just day before yesterday, he was here for the success party in the national capital. They all celebrated at the Connaught Place here in Delhi only. Now, after that, since we already know that his movie is there at the theatre, it's already roaring, has grossed 1,000 crore rupees worldwide, will he be restricted to only stay inside the premises of his house, or will he continue his promotional activities and attending all the success parties with the co-actors?
Well, there are no restrictions of that sort, so he can go about with normal life as it is, but it is definitely something that he does not want to do immediately, considering how he was he was picked up by the police and then almost remanded to 14 days jail before the High Court relief came in. So he is going to, the word from the family is that he is going to sort of rein in some recreation for himself, perhaps confine himself just maybe for a day or so until he is back on the ground promoting Pushpa. From Pushpa 2 essentially doesn't require any promotion anymore, considering it has in fact crossed the 1,000 crore mark across the world and has become one of the biggest blockbusters, or perhaps the biggest blockbusters of actor Allu Arjun's life. So on that front, we're given to understand that he's very extremely pleased. But definitely, media interviews that were scheduled after the release of the films now stand cancelled. That is what we are picking up, and that's about it from the ground. So he should be resuming his regular life anytime from now.
All right, Swastika, we'll request you to